Okay, so a while back, a couple months ago, I reviewed the microwaveable cheeseburger from Steakeze, Chop House Favorites. Then a couple weeks ago, I reviewed it on the pan-fried version, and I figured out that the microwave version is better. So here's a new sandwich. Ow! From Steakeze, you can't really see it, but it's the grilled chicken sandwich. And it is a flame broiled grilled chicken breast patty with rib meat on a sesame seed bun. I'm not gonna really go into the ingredients or the nutrition facts because they're all on the wrapper. It is a smaller sandwich, but you get 12 of them in the box. I'm not going to bother cutting this one in half because it's a smaller sandwich. And upon further inspection, we got branded grill marks. You see them? Let me show you. See those fake grill marks? They're put on by the history brander. Let's take a bite and see if it's any good. It's kind of bland. Need some barbecue sauce. I have some barbecue sauce right here. But the corn dusted bun is a nice touch. Maybe a slice of cheddar cheese. I have that here.
It's too comfortable.
Yeah. Those flavors, the cheese and the barbecue sauce to trap on the sandwich, that's a bad sign. Let's try the chicken by itself. Oh! Oh! Wait. Very spongy. Let's see if there's any textured vegetable protein in here. Chicken breast with rib meat. Seasoning. Chicken type flavor. Why do you have to add chicken type flavor to chicken? Really baffles the mind.
Wanted them last night.
But it's not a bad sandwich, but it's definitely something you could pop in the microwave, and it takes a little shorter time to cook. Only about 1 minute, 15 seconds. I would definitely give it a try if you like chicken sandwiches over burgers. But as for me, I'm only going to give it a low 4 out of 5. Not the perfect sandwich, but definitely something to give a try. But if you are going to do it, definitely add a little bit of barbecue sauce, maybe a slice of cheese. So that's basically my thoughts on that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, not hateful or spam comment, and subscribe to the Junk Food Critic, and share this video with your family and friends. You'll be glad you did.